Okay. Welcome to Go Viral Vlogger. Yay! Okay, so just finished. I just finished, and so let's get into it. So publish that by trending this right now. Okay. Wait, I will be right back. Okay, and we're back enjoying later. Okay, so what should I do it on? Music? I did it on Sports Tech. Let's be a nerd and go smoothie here. Okay. Oh geez, that's an hour? Okay. I think that's like an achievement. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, we are back. So, the video was actually an hour and I thought it was 13 minutes, so we're switching to Alto's Adventure. Yay! Whee! Okay, so I'm just going to do what I did on the other one. Okay, so I upgraded that. Okay, there, that's all I did. I upgraded once. Okay, here I'm back. Woo. So, how has everyone been? How has their week gone? Yeah, no? Okay, comment what you did, if you did anything interesting or poop-a-doop. Okay, so I've heard that when you're at a certain level, you can unlock characters, which sounds pretty awesome. So I'm actually going to try Zen mode, and if you don't know what it is, well, here, it's just no score. You just are on an endless mountain to freedom. And I did that as an example, because you just tap it, then you're back. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, yes. So I'm actually going for the wingsuit here, and I'll show you what that is in a second. Just after, okay, I'll just do that. Okay, so home. And that thing, if you press the camera, you get a screenshot. Okay, so where is it? The wingsuit. Take to the skies. If you charge your scarf all the way, then that's what you get. So let's just do a couple more runs, and then the video will probably be over. Okay, Ju. Nope, I did not make it. Oh wait, I thought I was on Zen mode. Nope. Oh my gosh, I thought I was on Zen mode. Okay. I am so dumb. I just realized that. I got a mama while I crashed. Okay, okay, yeah, I think when you're on level 5? No, okay, 7. So when you are at 11 levels, you can unlock new characters, which is pretty awesome. And spoiler alert, the fastest character, at least a shadow, is the girl. I think her name starts with like K or something. I don't know. Okay, so 15 birds spooked. Oh, my head just went to the corner of the rock. In real life, this would never be possible. Yay. So video will probably go on to, let me think, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Doop-a-doop-a-doo, boop-a-doop-a-doo. Oh my gosh. For the next video, I will have something so interesting. It will blow your mind. Probably. I don't know. Okay, so the one thing, the most thing that I like about this game is, do you know it? Do you know it? Do you know it? It is bum. Oh my gosh, what was I going? Graphics. Yeah, the one thing I like in this game, but one of the many things I like is the graphics. And guess what? You probably already know. But what was I gonna say? I don't even know what I was gonna say. Okay, sorry, the audio blanked out for a second. Okay, so after I die, the video will be over, sadly, before I have actually had a super amount of fun. And you may be thinking, well, why did you need to restart? Well, my phone restarted. So, everything was gone and I was like, oh, sweet, that's pretty cool. Awesome. Yay. Like so mad. And I actually made a video about that on my other channel. So, goodbye everyone. Bye. Goodbye.